Looking at the software side for a second, we offer three ways to control our products: FFmpeg, Gstreamer, and an SDK. Can you discuss what's in each software stack and how it works?
Yeah, so the lowest level on the host side is called Libxcoder. That's the lowest level of our SDK. It's basically a wrapper around NVMe commands. It provides a basic functionality for resource management, for starting a session of encoding and decoding, setting the configurations, and send a frame to the device, get the encoded frame out, and stuff like that. If your application is relatively simple in terms of the usage, for instance, if you're doing cloud gaming, you only need the encoding part of it. Maybe you want to just use this particular API because it's simpler. We do have a demo, um, actually quite a few different demos. One demo is for the cloud gaming kind of scenario where you can do a GPU do the rendering, and then you use peer-to-peer DMA transfer to transfer the frame directly into the device, and then use the device to do the encoding. And that's using the Libxcoder API. We also have a demo that does the decoding and then peer-to-peer DMA back to the GPU and GPU to do the inference. That's for the security market, and where so the decoder may become a bottleneck for those kind of scenarios. If your application is purely encoding or purely decoding and stuff and relatively simple, then you can consider to use this API. We also have a video conferencing demo on top of this API as well. And so a little bit higher is this called the LibAV codec, LibAV filter, which is a foundational kind of libraries for FFmpeg. So many of our customers, they don't really use FFmpeg as is. They build their application on top of the FFmpeg libraries, then those LibAV libraries. So we do provide demos for that too. So we have some demos on how to use the LibAV libraries to build your application to do basic encoding, decoding, transcoding. And there's also a video conferencing demo on the LibAV filters, LibAV filters and LibAV codecs as well. So a bit higher there obviously is the FFmpeg application. There are customers that are using the FFmpeg. They obviously have their own stuff in the FFmpeg, but what they need to do is just apply our patch. Then they have hardware accelerated encoding and decoding capability as well with NETINT. We provide a lot of different kind of patches for different FFmpeg versions because our customers are on various kinds of FFmpeg. So they can use those different patches to get to patch up the FFmpeg application. Or the application use the LibAV codec, LibAV filters as well. So we actually have a Bstreams application and demo that builds up on top of FFmpeg. So that is for live streaming. So for that particular program, it offers API for you to publish a live stream to the server. Then the transcoding server will convert that stream into manifest files of HS and dash. So it basically functions as transcoding server and origin server. So you can then collect that to CDN. We actually sell these Bstream servers as a product, as a service. And also there's a customer also on the Gstreamer as well. So we have a 1.22 Gstreamer application that is integrated the Libxcoder library on the lower level. So it's basically a Gstreamer application with hardware accelerated encoder, decoder, and filters.